Simplify the quantity 5x to the fourth y times the quantity negative 2x to the fifth y all cubed. This first expression we're going to leave as is. The second part of the expression, this factor, is being raised to a power. We need to apply that power to each of the three factors in the parentheses. So what we have is this is equal to 5x to the fourth y, then negative 2 cubed, then x to the fifth cubed, and then y cubed. We can simplify this further. We'll leave this first expression, 5x to the fourth y. Then it's going to be times negative 2 cubed is negative 2 times negative 2, which is negative 8. When we are raising an exponential expression to a power, we multiply those powers together. So 5 times 3 is 15. And we have the y cubed. Now what we can do is combine together the constants. 5 times the negative 8 is negative 40. X to the fourth times x to the 15th, we add together the 4 and the 15. Similarly, when we have y times y cubed, that would be y raised to the 1 plus 3. The 1 is understood to be there. And so our final answer, negative 40, x to the 19th, y to the fourth power.